Hi everyone, for today's video we are going to do an unboxing and review of the Kimafun wireless microphone. This is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless transmission microphone. It's rechargeable, and this thing comes with the headset and the lavalier mic. So I got this from Amazon for $24, and this is actually a refurbished item. So you can see here they actually have a note thanking the purchaser for giving this product a second life. So the original price of this is $40. So let me open it up. Inside the box you'll see an instruction manual. You'll also have a thank you card. So here you'll get two windscreen foam. You're supposed to get four, but I think the two is already installed. You can get this one here. This is the USB sound adapter, and it also comes with a 6.35 millimeter adapter. You have the belt clip. You have the transmitter. You have the receiver. This is the one that you put into your system. You have the charging cable. So this charging cable comes with USB with two micro USB at the end to charge both your transmitter and your receiver. And you have the headset right here, as well as your lapel mic. This is your lavalier mic. Comes with a clip in it. So I purchased this unit because lately I've been doing instruction video for YouTube, and using this Kimafun 2 gimbal. Every time I move around, my voice level change. So I always have to edit my voice volume in the video editor, and sometimes I really can't get everything to be on a normal level. So I decided to get this product, and hopefully this will help me to be able to make more video with clear audio. So let me go ahead and give this thing a test. So right now I'm actually talking to my gimbal microphone. So if you notice, if I move around, my voice is going to start changing. So if I move right here to the right, and my voice will start getting lower, the volume starts decreasing, and I have to make that change again in the video editor. So if you look at this transmitter and the receiver, kind of look the same. The transmitter have this cord right here, and this is where you plug in your microphone. So right here to the side you'll see that there is a on-off button and also the charger. And on the transmitter you also have the control for the microphone volume. Let me go ahead and turn this on. You have to turn this on at the same time, and you're gonna notice that there's a blinking blue light, and once it becomes solid, that means that they are paired. When you move around, this blue light should remain solid. If it starts blinking, that means that you lost your connection. So once you start seeing this thing blinking when you're moving around, that's the cue that you're not transmitting the sound. So let me go ahead and first set up the wireless headset. So I'm gonna plug this thing in here, and I'll use this clip to my receiver. Now I can put this thing into my shirt. So let me go wear my headset, and then let me go plug this thing, and once I plug this in, the audio should now switch into the headset microphone. So you can check the difference between the two, okay? So right now the only problem I have, the plugin is actually right there, right where the camera is. So you can see if I move the camera, I can actually move it straight, but once I start pointing it down, then it's going to be an issue. But But anyway, with the gimbal, I should not have a problem with it because I set it up to follow mode, so that should not give me an issue. So right now you can hear that the sound is coming from the headphone, and right now everywhere I go, even if I go farther, it should still give me the same volume. So that's the reason I purchased this microphone. Hopefully this will solve my audio issue with my videos. So let me go a little farther. So right now I'm about 20 feet away from the camera and I'm talking through the headphone wireless microphone. So let me go ahead and get the lavalier mic and switch it around and switch them. Okay, so this is the lavalier mic, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing into my collar, and I'm gonna switch the microphone from the headphone to the lavalier mic. Okay, so right now I have the lavalier mic. I have it in my collar, and hopefully it doesn't get all the sound when I move around. So let me go. So so pretend I'm doing some stuff and see if I can get the microphone from picking up any other sound from my shirt. So that is the Kimafun 2.4 gigahertz wireless transmission microphone. And I hope you like this video, and please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.